Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and I'm out here today at the backup gun match with actually a gun that's more or less a backup gun. Today we have a vz.82 in 9mm Makarov. This is the same pistol that we just looked at yesterday. We looked at the development of this pistol over at CZ. So if you didn't see that video and you're interested in the background on the CZ, the vz.82, the military issue version, definitely check out yesterday's video. But today I figured it'd be fun to take it out to the match, do some shooting on the clock, and see how it handles. So we have 4 stages. They're all fairly simple stages, but there are some extra challenges this month, that we don't normally have. Let's dig right in.
It wouldn't be useful.
What's going to happen?
Yep.
All right. Shooter, understand course fire?
Yep.
Give me a nod when you're ready.
Ready.
Shooter is ready. Stand by. If you're finished, unload, show me clear. Clean.
That one's good.
Clean.
I should have made one more shot on this guy.
Clean. And down one.
So, down 1 point on that guy. Not bad though. All right, so this stage is funky. This is a new sort of challenge. There are 6 plates on the plate rack, and there are 6 paper targets. You can choose to engage either the steel or the paper. Whichever one you're not supposed to be engaging counts as penalties, and there's paper behind a lot of the steel, and there's steel behind a lot of the paper. I'm not sure yet which I'm going to try and shoot. All right, we are going steel for the glory.
For the grams, bro. Give me a nod when you're ready. Shooter is ready. Stand by. If you're finished, unload, show me clear.
Oh, I'm definitely finished. I'm not going any farther on that one. But hopefully not into anybody.
Well, we're about to find out. Clean, 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 clean.
Yes.
Glory.
See, I told you.
Glory is forever. And now, Mr. Bond, you will die. Shooter is ready. Stand by.
His friend. Whoa.
All right, if you're finished, unload, show me clear. Shameful display of ammunition wastage. I see clear. Go ahead and holster.
It's the benefit of having a bunch of ammo, I suppose.
Yep. Range is
While eating grapefruit in your breakfast nook, you discover your collection of Russian dolls has grown in size and begun to attack you in the kitchen. You start seated at the table, handgun loaded, pointed safely downrange. At signal, shooter will engage targets from a seated position. Stay seated.
stand by.
All right, that was a lot of fun today. We had some stages that had substantially more accuracy challenges than I'm used to at a backup gun match, but this actually did really pretty well. I rushed a few of the stages to get better times, but even so, frankly, I think the vz.82/cz.82 is a really good combination of characteristics for a military service pistol. It's simple blowback, so it's inexpensive, it's simple to take apart, it's in as powerful of a cartridge really as you can get in a compact blowback pistol in 9x18 Makarov. Fixed barrel, it's got decent sights on it, it's a nice accurate gun, the trigger is not bad, and it's also got a 12-round magazine capacity, which is pretty good for a gun this small. Like, it's big enough to give you a proper grip, but small enough to not be too much in your way when you're carrying this a lot and almost never shooting it. So overall, a lot of fun, good gun, well done CZ. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.